Preparing going to Ocean Park. Kaso ang tagal ng mga bagets. My God. Ay, ang tagal ng mga bagets. Ay, nag-penguin ng dolphin. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, napakalungkot ko ng aking look. Wala kasi iPad niya eh.
Kasain. Naiwan ko.
Naiwan, hindi sumama.
Pinarge ko kasi. Tapos sabi ko, galing kasi sila kahapon doon. Sabi ko, uy, magkano ang entrance pag walk-in? 3K daw. Mag-online na lang daw ako. Kasi, mababa na. Marami naman sa 3K.
Iba yun, yung sinasabi niyang 3K na yun.
Oo, ako to.
O diba, na-reserve.
Doon ka sa, far away.
Doon ka sa here, go far away. Diba nak? Diba George? Ang fresh. Diba te? Wow, busy-busyhan. Kada mo talaga. Secretary ka dyan. Nasa isip. Parang hindi gumagalaw. Ayun, gumagalaw sa ilalim. Kumarap ka.
Skinny what do you say? Pero kapag
hawakan mo.
mag-yellow.
Mabait.
O sige, ilagay mo sa neck mo. Kikis ng kami.
Baka pala yung...
Grabe, laki ma.
Oh my God. Bes, ang ganda mo naman pero natatakot pa nila.
Uy, Bessie, ang ganda naman ng forma mo dyan.
Wala na. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-voice over nito. George? Nakapapakit.
Pwede mo pala pumunta dito tapos.
You have powerful talents and beats. Ladies and gentlemen, please look your left. You guys.
afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, actually because of their front flavors, which are shaped like a bird's wing, sinos. The third Philippines will also be translated as reputed, since their flavors do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to climb underwater as they swim from place to sea lions are generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Aaron and Pedro Johnny. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 2. Now, this time, guys, could you please join our Sea Lion friends in next salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright, guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Let's do. Let's move it. Up your hands, everybody. All right, show them that side by side. And the flavor dancing. Let's go. Yeah. How about the one of us for the children friends? This we hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon.
Hi guys. Hi guys, mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi guys, mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. Guys, wake up, guys. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi si Sophie pala. Hi Sophie. yan o. Yung dikit pa ako, di mo dikit. Ito mo, nakalapit. Eh, kunwari nasa ano ka na. Eh, nakalimutan yung videoan yung patin. Yun na nga lang ang narin.
Ma!
Parang yung sisaw talaga siya yun, oh. Sabi ako picturean nyo. Iyan, nagpapansin naman daw ang baby na yan, ah. Parang pato lang ah. Parang pato yan. Parang pato lang. Wow, napapapansin. May napapansin. Welcome to Siargao, guys. George, welcome to Siargao.